The monetary policy of the global major central banks and progress in the US-China talks are under the spotlight. The US dollar strengthens against other major currencies, while its Canadian counterpart also remains buoyant. It seems that the Chinese and American negotiators have finally managed to come to an accord on some points of the trade agreement, which was surely a positive sign for traders. Market participants are still skeptical about the finalizing of this agreement, but they hope that a part of the deal will be reached. The start of the week was quite robust, and the activity is likely to remain high during the rest of the week. These days, the American companies have been releasing their reports that have provided mixed results amid the ongoing tariff war. The US dollar index was trading at 97.84 in the afternoon deals. A rally of the American currency against the Japanese yen was the strongest. The pair hit the highest level since August. Analysts are predicting that the Bank of Japan will keep the monetary policy unchanged this week, while the Fed is expected to cut the interest rate once again. Market participants have already factored in a possibility of a rate cut for the third time this year, so such a move of the Federal Reserve won't surprise them. Interestingly, there has been a great deal of speculations about Jerome Powell taking a hawkish stance at the upcoming meeting, which would not meet investors' expectations. If the American financial regulator announces an end to the monetary policy easing, it can dent the market sentiment significantly. Besides, the non-farm payrolls report will be released on Friday. It can also provide some unpleasant surprises. The Canadian dollar strengthened near the 30th mark against its American counterpart. Today, the pair continued rising slowly but steadily. Remarkably, the loonie demonstrated a rally for the third week in a row. Traders hope that the Canadian currency will extend gains as the approaches to the monetary policy of the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Canada are different. The American Central Bank has cut the interest rate twice this year, while in Canada the rate has been at the same level since 2015. Market participants doubt that the Bank of Canada will change anything this week, so this news can boost a rally in the Canadian dollar. However, some market participants have an alternative point of view. They think that the Canadian dollar will maintain bullish momentum if the American economic statistics remain downbeat. The 30th of October is a remarkable date for the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair. On that day, the loonie may try to break the level of 1.30. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.